Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the faceplate from the Ring device using the Ring app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Ring app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, tap on the Ring device you want to work with, such as your Ring doorbell. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open device settings. Now tap General Settings or Device Help depending on your Ring model. In the section, you may see Setup Instructions or Device Help. This shows how to remove parts of your device. Before removing the faceplate, make sure your Ring device is not actively recording. This helps avoid accidental alerts. Now go to your Ring device, look at the bottom of the faceplate. You will see a small security screw. Use the Ring screwdriver that came with the device to loosen this screw. Turn it to the left until it's loose. Once the screw is loose, place your thumbs on the bottom edge of the faceplate. Gently push up and pull the faceplate toward. The faceplate should pop off easily. It feels tight. Don't force it, just apply gentle pressure. After removing the faceplate, you can change it or access the battery if needed. And that's it. You have successfully removed the faceplate from your Ring device using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.